The OPPO F9 presents a big change in OPPO's mid-range lineup, the biggest of which being the inclusion of VOOC Flash Charge. But since you already know that, here's what to expect when you get yourself an OPPO F9. With me, I have the sunrise color with 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Inside the box, you get another set of package which houses the SIM ejector tool, quick guide booklet, important information guide, a silicone case that's clear to maintain that beautiful color of the device, and that's it. Underneath, we have the phone, which we'll set aside for now and look at the accessories that we get. First is the old school USB cable, a VOOC Flash Charge adapter, and the earphones that look rather good. Back to the phone. First, let's get rid of these. We'll switch on the device as we enjoy the design. The sunrise red looks dashing, but so does the twilight blue. The special thing about this back is the gradient color, which fades from red to pink, and underneath that beautiful color scheme is a diamond-like design that's only visible under certain light, making the device look much more expensive than it actually is. I could spend hours talking about the beauty of this phone, looking at it and then remembering the Find X. It is safe to say that OPPO is a design company, and they are not afraid to make some bold design decisions. In line with the boldness, say goodbye to the old bulky notch. The company has shrunk their notch to something they now call a water drop. This design opens up more display real estate, but if you dislike the notch entirely, I doubt this small one will change your mind. The display itself stretches 6.3 inches with a 19:9 aspect ratio and a fairly thick chin at the bottom, thanks to the LCD display. The small notch houses the selfie camera, proximity sensor, light sensor, and a small cut for the earpiece on top of that notch. We have to talk about the software a bit. The OPPO F9 comes with Android 8.1 Oreo with ColorOS 5.2 on top. But this does nothing to improve the software experience. It is very iPhone-y, so you either love it or hate it. I am still tempted to say something nice about this bag, but I will withhold myself for now. As for the cameras, we get dual cameras for the first time in this lineup. This is a 16 megapixel lens complemented by a 2 megapixel lens for depth sensing, allowing for bokeh shots. On the front, we get a 25 megapixel lens like we did with the F7. Images produced are very subjective. In good lighting, you can pull off some very amazing shots, but things are obviously struggling in low light. Selfies, on the other hand, keep prospering. The OPPO F9 is available for 35,990 Kenyan shillings for the 4GB RAM version and 37,990 Kenyan shillings for the 6GB version. The storage remains the same across the board. My name is Saruni Maina. This has been Tech Quiz, and remember to subscribe, share this video with a potential OPPO customer or anyone who likes smartphone in general. And I'll see you guys next time. Kwaheri.